Onye na afuna neba Princess Ugomweza Agugo is one of the only 4 African scholars and 25 worldwide selected to study international sports management with Camp Gemini.
Of beauty, see her in all her glory. This is not your record.
Permit me to welcome to the microphone for the address of welcome Ambassador Princess Alba Akro.
Of the occasion, Engineer Arinze Ayadegu, the Royal Father, His Royal Majesty Igwe Bennett, Emeka Izuchukwu Okebotu of Umeri, and also the CEO of this exquisite hotel, though in absentia. The Royal Mother, Chief Iyom Ngozi Okeke Obipa, Iyom Ugochimeleze Nagukuri, the CEO, Solution Kitchen, His Excellency, Valentine Ozibo, you're welcome. Honorable Commissioner for Women Affairs, Anambra State, Honorable Ifi Obinabo, Transition Chairman, Aniocha Local Government, Honorable Romani Usibekwe, Transition Chairman, Idemili North Local Government, Honorable Amaka, Idemili South Local Government, Honorable Amaka Obi, Immediate Past Chairman of my dear local government, Aniocha, Honorable Ike Gerard, also Mili Aniocha. In a very special way, I want to recognize the World Rugby, Rugby Africa, Nigeria Rugby Football Federation, Nigeria Olympic Committee, respective representatives. India doesn't look no. All other protocols duly observed. I extend my warmest greetings and best wishes to everyone here that has come from far and near to join me for my special event. I'm thrilled to have you as part of this exciting occasion, and I truly appreciate your support. Rugby is not just a sport for me, but I love the passion that brings people together, teamwork, and a sense of community. I'm grateful to all the players, the coaches, officials, and volunteers, the friends and family who have dedicated their time and efforts to be part of my journey and make this event a reality. I would also like to express my great gratitude to my esteemed sponsors, partners, and supporters, especially my good people of Adazinubu, who have generously contributed to make this event possible. It will also be a sin of omission if I fail to recognize my parents and my foster mom for their support so far in this journey. I sincerely appreciate your concern and support. I am honored to have you by my side for the past 18 years, and I pray that my event will be a source of inspiration, joy, and a reminder of the incredible impact that rugby has had on me. Once again, thank you for being a part of this remarkable occasion. I look forward to witnessing the passion and excitement that will unfold throughout today, coming together, united by love of my personal sport, rugby, making my event a resounding success. Wishing you all an unforgettable experience. Ambassador Princess Ugonweza Agugo, Ambassador to Nigeria and Rugby. Thank you.
She has made history as the first Nigerian recognized by World Rugby, earning a fully sponsored trip to the Rugby World Cup in England in 2025. It's from Adazinuku in Anyocha local government, Anambra State. The 37-year-old Alba Ugonweza Agugo had earlier secured a similar scholarship this year, 2024, from Rugby Africa to study sports management at Lunetz University in Luxembourg, a first for any Nigerian at the African level.
Adasi kwana ọmụ na anyị nọ si ebe a ndị adasi ekwu okwu ọ dịka nke nwa ọ bụrụ osiri obodo nwa bụ Engineer Sir Aneto CY, the President General Adasi Nuku Town Development Union.
Town Union, in the person of Engineer CY Aneto. My apologies, sir.
Tika.
It's my mind. Standing on the existing protocol, because Oku na Sompotu, Makano Oku are inspiring. In fact, Oku are the reason for this event. This here actually Pukita with the reason for this event, and I hope you listen. It just came as an inspiration because I wrote a magazine. 2 weeks plan on here, the magazine. It wasn't easy for me. Writing and editing, it wasn't easy. However, last night I couldn't sleep. I was like, what will I tell these youths? What will I tell my people today? What will I tell them that inspired me to becoming who I am today? And it may interest us to know that one of my inspirations happens to be my brother. Unfortunately, or will I say fortunately, I grew up as a solitude, having no siblings. Until 8 years, we were praying, and I Yochuku Kawan Nebia Kachineke Siwechoya, where young one now, Nemia as a Down syndrome. The atmosphere, we were disillusioned. And when you didn't expect a good thing, and Chineke Mesia goes to Wecho. So, my brother is always my inspiration. Whenever I see my brother, one thing comes to my mind. The earlier you know that you are the only child, the better for you. And I know that there are so many responsibilities associated with being the only child. At 12, I sat one day, I reasoned it. There was a day my dad went out, came back, and he was crying. My mom, I was surprised at 12. I never said this story until now. At 12, I asked my mother, I said, why is my dad crying? My mom told me that the money my dad, 150 naira, I won't forget in a hurry, that the money my dad saved register me for science school that he misplaced it. And the registration is about to close. I don't know what to do because I desire to attend a science school. You know what I did? I lied to them that I want to visit my grandma. Why do I want to visit my grandma? Because I know I will leverage on the opportunity of freedom, because growing up under my parents, it was a strict one. You don't associate. I was just a loner. And up till this moment, it's still affecting me socially. Even some of my colleagues, sometimes they wonder why I like staying on my own. They felt maybe I have arrived or something, not knowing that it is what it is called nature and nurture controversy. So that was really dealing with me until I studied psychology, and I'm trying right now to overcome some of the challenges of being a loner. So it may also interest us that after Nkasinanke, my grandma, I deceived them. I went to my grandma's house. I followed my friends over there. We went to the bush to harvest Mbulu cashew. I'm much on the Mbulu cashew. Back on the Mbulu cashew, one pint at 150. I harvested that cashew nut with my friends over there at my granny's side, and I was able to pay for that junior year. That is how I went to Abbott Special Science School here. Not to digress. When I got to SS1, from my SS1 to my NCE, to my BEd, to my 2 masters, all we are with scholarships. It's not as if now I knew it all, but I've told myself that the only thing that will inspire me, or rather will push me to my desired objective, is just through academics. Once as a youth, with that you can achieve exploits. So when I knew that my own traits, or I have a gift, maybe do I say intellectually, so I try to nurture it, because my father is one of the brain behind my success today. As a growing child, he wouldn't allow you to associate with anybody. Imam Pap, Amam Chokabugi. Every day, this my dad here will tell me, he will give me a biro and a pen. He will tell me, write everything in your environment. Anything you see in your environment, write. Up till today now, if I am angry or depressed, I resort to writing. Like last night, I was depressed. I was nervous. So I just started writing. What I wrote last night, if I publish it, is up to a novel. I started writing, and today writing is one of my strengths. So what am I saying? I want to encourage the youths here. In fact, there was a time I was written off. Immediately rejected stone. I was just reading off. At a point, I thought to myself, it wasn't as if there was a particular thing that I was doing wrong. But I don't know, maybe my silence, because I wanted to go into sports. My parents were depriving me at a point. I became heady. So that and not for me. They wanted me to go into medicine. They felt going into sports, I wouldn't go to school. But today, I am very grateful to God and to humanity for where I've been today. Because finally, after Mmepa sports, Esupamnande grew up on a sport in Nigeria and beyond. So as him can inspire some youth. So thank you very much for your audience.
My best friend Kule there with a girlfriend Chile. Ghetto girls and they like Takatufi. So many pretty girls like inside my mule. I just did one that said which type of tea. Everything yeah man, everything there.